In today's video, I will be showing you how to uninstall Windows 10 updates. If you have recently just installed the KB5001330 or maybe the KB5001337, you might have noticed that you were getting an awful experience when playing games, like FPS drop and also performance issues. And there are also many other Windows 10 updates that have caused issues to people's Windows 10 systems, like printers not working, blue screening, and stuff like that. So it's always a good idea to know how to remove these updates if you install one and then end up having issues. So to do this, all you need to do is right click on the start menu icon in the bottom left hand corner, and you then need to click on settings. You now need to go ahead and click on updates and security, and you now need to click on view update history. And we now need to click on uninstall updates. You will now have a list of all the updates that have been installed on your computer. You can arrange them into date order on the right hand side here by clicking the top. And as you can see straight away, I have got the update 1330 here, which was having an impact on gaming performance. So if I wanted to remove this update, all I need to do is select the update, so select the update you want to remove, and then press uninstall. You then need to go ahead and press yes to uninstall, and it will then begin to remove the update from your computer. Once the update has finished uninstalling, you will then get a pop-up asking you to restart your computer. Just make sure you have saved everything, and then go ahead and restart. And that is how you remove updates in Windows 10. I hope this tutorial has helped. If it has, hit the like button below and subscribe for more computer sluggish tutorials.